our Indian origin people, and it's founded by Babu Mandava Garu. Thank you very much for coming here. It's a pleasure to have you here. Northeast Chapter IT Serve Kickoff Meeting. We are ecstatic with the response that we got with such a short notice. And more than 350 CEOs and company owners came to this meeting with such a short notice. I welcome all of them to this meeting this evening. And Mr. Chukal Upendra and Mr. Dinesh from Cory Booker's office and other dignitaries in this meeting. I welcome them, sir. And everyone, including whoever came to this show this evening, I welcome you all, the sponsors, press, media, and everybody. Please enjoy the show. Thank you very much.
We also have collective bargain tools, and at the same time, we are continuing with our political lobbying. And I would like to start with the governing board. Governing board is all inclusive of past presidents. I'm calling out all the names who are here. Satish Mandua. Please come on to dais, please. Sudhakar Peram. Ashok Kumar. Because of these leaders, we are what we are today. Because of their vision, their hard work. It's not easy to grow an organization. We are a complete resource where we could offer you a lot of benefits as a member. Again, I'm calling the names which are Satish Nannapaneni, President-elect. Sridhar, Joint Secretary. Venkat Gotipati, Director of Chapters Relation. I want to tell about Venkat. Venkat was here in New Jersey from Dallas for the last 5 days, overseeing all the arrangements here. I would like to call Vinod Uppu, Director of Conference. We did a biggest conference last year called Synergy with 250 plus companies participating and around 600 to 700 guests. And this year we are going to be having a bigger conference than that one, and Vinod is the person who is leading that. Then I have an advisory director, Kishore Kandavali of our arbitration committee. As a member, we have about 300 companies as of now and still growing. There are about 70 pending applications. We are 350 plus company organization at this point of time. Obviously, we will have some of the problems on a daily basis, but we have a committee where we solve within our. Could you go back to the committee chairs, please? We have an arbitration committee where we resolve the problems within our members. Then we have chapter kickoff committee, Vikram. 2015, from 75 members to 250 members, Sudhakar Pennam took it to the journey. And this year we want to grow a 1,000-member organization. And we are growing rapidly. Last month we have opened up a Chicago chapter with a potential of 150 plus companies in Midwest region. Right now I see 400 plus CEOs, and we have a potential of more than 300 companies from here. Then we have Ashok Garu as Innovation and Entrepreneurship Committee. He's heading the Startup Cube. Along with, he has Suresh Keta as Advisory Director. Then we have a Political Affairs Committee as Satish Mandua, and he has been heading those efforts. Announcement for the newest committee member, Mr. Sridhar Garu from TV5, one of our advisory board, and he has been helping us. He has promoting IT Serve, and we like people like Sridhar Garu who could take our organization to the next level and who could help us in day-to-day activities. Then I would like to introduce New Jersey Chapter President, Mr. Jay Garu. And I would like to call the chapter presidents right now. Chicago, Vinod, Houston, Ravi Garu. And that's it for now. I want, Jay Garu, do you want to introduce your team?
I will definitely keep up the organization expectations. We all know we came here. We are somebody here, most of us I'm talking about, because of the IT business, either staffing or consulting business. I would say it has given so much to us. We all know. We have to agree that. But in return, we haven't given anything back to this platform. Amar Varta, please. Mohan Gadde, Praveen Tadikamallam, Venkat Maram, Radha Ala, Mr. Praveen Andapalli, Ben Thakur, Dan Nandan, Harish Koya, Bharat Mittal, Kumar Ganeshan, Raj Vendra. We will try our best to strengthen our platform here.
Right now, at this moment, I would like to welcome Mr. Sridhar Chillara, the newest committee member and advisor on the board for IT Serve Alliance Northeast, to have an interactive session with a few members that he would invite up to the stage.
Good evening, gentlemen, and it's a great honor to, they gave me biggest responsibility of advisory board, so I do not know what I'm going to do it, but definitely I'll try to justify my position, what I have. These are the, literally the voice of the IT serve, and today we are here, the organization has achieved milestones means these are the people behind it. So let's start with current president, Mr. Seshadhar Garu. So there are, how many consulting companies are there in this USA? What's your knowledge?
About 30,000. About 30,000.
How many members currently you have?
We have about 350.
350 right now. So if any member wants to join IT Serve, what are the benefits? Why should they join?
We have a lot of benefits. I would like to run a slideshow as I speak. It's called a GEMS platform, where we have, from 2010 to now, right now we have developed something called trust and teamwork and the collaboration between all the companies. So we have been engaging real-time job alerts between the company members and the recruiters between our companies. And we have right now the stats of how what we do is we have about 1,200 recruiters. That's probably a little bit older, and we have 260 plus companies when we have created that one. And on daily basis we have 860 jobs. And at the same time, when you are a member, to post a job to our member companies, it's very easy. All you have to do is send an email saying that jobs at itserve.org, and it gets published on the portal, and it goes to all the 1,200 recruiters who are in our network. And at the same time, we also have the similar kind of hot list, where if you can upload your hot list resumes, whatever you have resources, the companies who are participating, like 1,200 recruiters, can search these resumes and find the talent for your vacant positions. And this is, we are doing with like 260 companies, and our target is to become a 1,000 member organization, where as Jay Garu showed that Unity video, like if you have 1,000, you can multiply these numbers by at least 4x or 5x, and all the members can benefit from what we have been doing.
Congratulations, you have a job of, you have a responsibility of making 1,000 members under your tenure. So you have a 1-year term, like from January to December. Do you think that you are going to achieve by December?
Yes, with the help of all the chapter presidents.
But in the past, it didn't happen, 5 years. Do you think it's going to happen now?
Yes, right now we have evolved so much, and people have started, like Jagar said, there is a company which has grown from 2-digit resources to 3-digit resource, using all our connections. And one of the member had 20 placements in a Chicago member company. So people are looking at these benefits and joining. Not only, this is just a part of what we are.
Great, Seshadhar Garu. And Sudhakar Pennam Garu, you being the immediate past president of 2015, when you started as a president, how many members were there? And after you, because he is the current president, he can tell that I'm going to make 2,000 members. But you are the witness of it. You are the past. So yours is already defined. So how many members were there, and how many members when you exit?
Good evening, friends. Last year when I took over the presidency, it was like 75 members. We started in Jan 2015. December 31st, 2015, we were achieved a three-digit target, 250 members. It's a three-figure close. 3 times we grow, and when we can achieve things when we have a critical mass. And we had achieved it, 250, from 75 to 250, and I can say Shashi can make it from 250 to 1000 pretty easily.
So from there, 250 is a congratulations. I think he needs a good applause, big thing. It's not a joke to have 250 members and bringing another 200, 300 people here. It's awesome, really, congratulations. And also, you have a yearly conference. So what do you do, where did it happen last year and how many people were attended?
On November 6th, we had the Synergy Annual Conference for IT Server in Dallas. 250 companies attended, 250 company executives attended, and in the evening banquet we had 700 people. We had sessions for recruiters, we had sessions for sales folks, we have sessions for Startup Cube, ongoing networking, and then the knowledge sessions we had the whole day.
So the startup is for any company, could be startup, and any company can join.
Someone who's having a product idea, someone of the members having a product idea, or known companies having a product idea, they could come and pitch it. They pitched it, and some of the members already started investing and evaluating it.
Were there any good milestones like, you had signed up for the benefits or any other thing?
On May 8th, we hosted Telangana IT Minister KTR Garu for a 2-hour session. And then it was a pretty interactive and it was very vibrant session we had. And he invited us when we were in Hyderabad too. And when we had the Startup Cube in T-Hub in Hyderabad, and the task program, what they're doing is freshers. They bring freshers and they train people. We offer jobs for the task grads.
And we have the Satish Madua, the man behind it, who founded this organization, and he's the man behind it. Satish Garu, congratulations, you had such a wonderful organization you started. So you handled the immigration as a governing body chair, and you held immigration. So do you think that 300 people consulting companies can raise voice and Capitol Hill can listen to your voice?
It's really amazing to see this big crowd here in New Jersey, in Northeast, in the, in the winter and the February evening. So it's actually amazing where we started and where we are right now. We started in a small coffee shop with 10 of us. You can see a few of us here in a coffee shop here in Irving, Texas. So there's 20-member chapter where we started back in 2010. Why the organization started? We had a crisis, and the organization was born out of a crisis, which was a Neufeld memo which came out. Based on that, in the employee-employer relationship, it doesn't exist for a consulting company. It's a long journey, or I would say, with all of the help of all the members, all the IT and all the people here. Where we started is back then where we had a crisis about Neufeld memo. We tried to find a solution. Why we consulting companies, we all have the same DNA, right? All consulting companies and software consulting companies. And we started approaching to the senators and congressmen. Are we successful? Yes. There is a frequently asked questions which were there in the Neufeld memo that was modified, which says that he can provide additional evidence to substantiate without needing of a client letter. So that is a success here. What we have done in the Comprehensive Immigration Reform Bill is there is a language in the bill which says that if you have 50% of more on the H-1Bs, you cannot even apply for the H-1s. So if you remember the original bill which was actually started by the Senate, so that was a language which was there. So if you look at the final version of the bill, we could able to go to the Senate and we talk to the people and make sure they add a text which says that if you file for a green card, then they will not be counted as H-1B. That is called intended immigrant language. So this is what the success, and that's the power of our voice in the Capitol Hill which made this happen. So I just want to bring it to your attention.
And also, like Satish Garu, and you being the global chapter of TechServe Alliance, and such a voice they can hear, the Capitol Hill really can listen to them. So what are your plans currently? How are you going to involve them, IT Serve side?
Yes, I am also heading the global chapter on the TechServe.
Very, very important.
As a president of the global chapter. We are using global chapter because they are, TechServe is also having companies which are bigger companies in terms of the clients. Most of our we work with them as our clients. So we take the client along with us to the Capitol Hill and talk to the senator and educate them, saying that the client is going to say, hey, I need this company as a vendor and so to provide the H-1Bs. That's where we are successful. The challenges that we are facing, Simeo solutions, where you need to find an amendment for the LCA if H-1B employee changes the job. That is one. These are two challenges we are facing, and we actually reaching out to all the senators and congressmen and approaching them to make sure we can reduce that 4,000 to 2,000 and also take away that LCA filing and as well as amendment filing for the change of employment.
Thank you, Satish Garu. Well explained. And let me come back to Venkat Gottipati Garu, Director, Chapter Relations. You being taking care of the chapters, and how many chapters currently IT Serve has in USA right now?
Currently, we have 6 chapters, including the Northeast chapter. We have a chapter in Dallas. We have a chapter in Houston. We have a chapter in Chicago. We have a chapter in Bay Area. We have a chapter in the Northeast chapter. A chapter in Houston.
Houston, okay.
Yes.
So he has a big, ambitious plan of 1,000 members now. I'm sure that through chapters only it can achieve possible. So what are your future plans for this year, not for next year's, this year?
Yeah, we currently have plans in place for expanding the chapters to from 6 to 16 or more.
16 or more?
Yeah, 16 or more in the current year of 2016.
So,
and this attendance, we anticipate that this chapter to grow for more than 300 members in the next coming 2 months' time. And if we follow the same pattern or a conservative estimate of an addition of 100 or more members for each chapter, then we will be meeting and exceeding our President expectation of 1,000 members for the end of 2016. And as you rightly said, that is only possible through the propagation of chapters. We have a wonderful team and more. Thank you.
you have plans of starting in Hyderabad and any other place?
We did kick off the Hyderabad chapter last week. We had around like 40 members who
Great.
attended already.
So it's becoming global now.
Yes, now we will be
Fantastic.
global, and we'll be soon seeing more in the tracks in Hyderabad
So
and
next few months, where are you going to start kickoff? I know that New Jersey is done by tonight. So what is the next where you
We
are
have one in Bay Area, and the Detroit is gearing up, and we definitely see the Detroit coming up pretty soon, and the Bay Area coming up pretty soon, and then Atlanta, and then the Florida.
And lastly, Jay Talluri is the Northeast Chapter President. So Jay Garu, please tell me, now they're doing too much and counting too much on you now. So I know that a lot of responsibilities and a lot of ambitious plans. So what is your immediate plan now?
The immediate responsibility is to spread the word that there is an organization which will help IT companies to do their business well and grow and protect their businesses. I'm very confident we'll get there in short period of time. As you know, Northeast is the capital of IT consulting companies, and we have no doubt we will have more numbers, more than expectation.
And in the beginning, do you have any plans of conducting any more meetings to educate the immigration seminars or any immediately, next few-
Definitely, we are planning to have a meeting every month with the members, and each meeting we will invite, how to best practices of the consulting business.
A lot of people are
Whether it
working-
is it's immigration or automation of the consulting business, how to automate to maximize your, business and, in different aspects.
I understand, Jay, because you have a good core team I saw on the stage. You are going to delegate, there are a lot of responsibilities. I wish you good luck.
Jay to present a plaque to Mr. Sridhar Chillara.
Thank you everyone for giving me an opportunity as an advisory board, and I wish you good luck to all the board. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
TV5. Something happened here.
We are not trying to
We don't give it to him. Sridhar Chillara.
We believe that Sridhar Garu won the lottery. cannot believe that I took your card. It was not done on purpose. I just took your card and it was yours.
First of all, IT Serve ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది చాలా చాలా మేజర్ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అండి. మన కంట్రీలో ఈ కంట్రీ బాగుపడ్డదంటే ఐటీ మీదే. అలాంటిది ఈరోజు ఐటీ కంపెనీ ప్రతి కంపెనీ ఓనర్ సిఇఓ దగ్గరగా 400 మంది వచ్చి ఈ న్యూ జెర్సీ కిక్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేషన్ని సక్సెస్ చేశారు. సో ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ద గ్లోబల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, లార్జెస్ట్ ఐటీ కన్సల్టింగ్ కంపెనీ అసోసియేషన్. దానికి ఫస్ట్ అడ్వైజర్గా నన్ను అపాయింట్ చేయడం అనేది నాకు చాలా గర్వకారణంగా ఉంది ఈరోజు. అండ్ ఈరోజు నన్ను అడ్వైజరీ బోర్డులో పెట్టి, and probably I'm the first person on the advisory board. I want to identify what are the 10 top burning points to this industry. I want to make sure that my association IT Serve and the board of directors would like to, they're already working very good, they're already doing it and everything, but I want to make sure that those 10 points are addressed in the top 10. I'm sure that everybody would like to join. There are 30,000 companies are in USA, our IT consulting companies. I want everybody to join. I want to be, we are all united. We are not divided, we are united. I want to hear our voice to the Capitol Hill. And we are united. If we tell that they are going to come to us, it's not a joke, 30,000 companies, and use my expertise and tell them it's a noble organization on the earth. And I will make sure that we will achieve it, and we are going to be different from others.
We want to show is a different business, and we have a 30,000 companies, and we're gonna show every government. If you look at in US government or in Indian government, they never seen as a IT staffing companies is in a business.
We have been working for the past 6 years, but now for the past 1 month after the Chicago event and then now the New Jersey Northeast chapter event, TV5 media took us to the next scale. The role model for us for all the media, and he should be doing these events and all. We will be taking him to all the kickoff events. We will be airlifting him to all the kickoff events to the Bay Area, Detroit and all.
Give brief history about IT Serve Alliance. And we started in 2010 with a Newfield memo. The employers were having crisis with the immigration. That is where we started. We have 400 plus companies who have attended this event, and it is a grand success. I have to acknowledge all the efforts put by the Northeast core team.
అన్ని కంపెనీలు కలిసి ఉంటే we will have bargaining capacity and negotiating capacity. We can make our voice here to Capitol Hill. So this is a great event, and
That was the stepping stone where we found that a meeting with over 150 attendees can be conducted over a short period of time under an able leader, especially the chapter president and an excellent executive team. They have devised various methodologies which we were impressed with, and then we implemented the same and took the help of the same team.
We got very good response, and after the event we are around 50 new companies joined in Chicago region, and we are expecting 50 more companies will be joining in next 2 to 3 months.
IAAT Tech, your answer to employment in the United States.
Raj got his H-1B visa. We are moving to America. Oh my!
IAAT Tech provides training and guarantees enrolled students H-1B sponsorship with one of its many affiliated companies throughout the United States. With instruction in both core and emerging technologies, you will be ready for that new career path waiting for you. If you've been dreaming of new possibilities in the United States for you and your family, IAAT Tech is the answer.